Hola, estudiantes. There's the trumpet, right when I'm about to present this. El Patrón, this is the pattern of the quiz that you will be taking. El Patrón, the pattern, or la ficha de repaso, sheet of review for the quiz of review, and phonetics. Parte 1, instrucciones. Conjuga los verbos. Traduce las conjugaciones. Conjugate the verbs, translate the conjugations. As it says here, be prepared to conjugate any of these verbs, but with any subject. Yo, tu, Carlos, whatever. It also says be ready to do it in the present tense, preterite, and imperfect tenses. So I'm giving you the verbs. I'm giving them to you. So be ready for any one of these. Practice conjugating here with any one of the verbs listed above with your choice of subject. Just make sure that when you do this, that you that you write it here, so I know what the subject. Like comer, I'm going to do it in the Carlos form. And you use SpanishDict.com or your resources to do these things. Okay. I'm going to show you a nice little thing about SpanishDict.com in a minute. So there's 3 there to do. Preguntas y respuestas. So this is what I've been having issues with people plugging in entire sentences in on SpanishDict.com. So, for example, ¿qué haces mucho? 2 sentences about what do you do a lot. How are you supposed to know that means you do? Well, this is the only thing you're going to be using SpanishDict.com for anymore, now that you have those green dictionaries. You'll be able to figure out that that's the infinitive hacer, which is to do or make. I think if you even type in haces, it'll direct you to the infinitive. It should. Yes, see? The word haces is in the present form of hacer. But you're really not using that in your answer. It says, what do you do a lot? So, so I say, I cook a lot. So I either use my reference sheets on the recursos, the resources section of Google Classroom, or I just type in the infinitive. The infinitive. Don't type in I cook. To cook. Cocinar. And then you click here, conjugation. See? So here's the conjugation. I cook. And here's preterite tense and imperfect tense. Now, since the answers are like right in front of you there, to do that, rather than trying to do these on your own, I'd like if you could try to do them on your own first without just finding the conjugations on SpanishDict.com. Like go to the resources section of our Google Classroom page and see if you can, just figure it out on your own first without just going right to SpanishDict.com and clicking conjugations. Here's the preterite info conjugations, your tenses sheet, all that we've been through many times already. Okay, so like stuff like this. Okay, well, here's those pronouns now. Okay, I showed you how to deal with that. Those things. And, see what you can figure out without, plugging every single little thing into your dictionary. Because you're really not supposed to be using SpanishDict.com that much anymore, just for the conjugations thing. And I'm okay with that. I think this is a great resource. But like this, what'd you do during the summer? I don't know what you did. That does come from your Soy Yo project, but still, use the conjugations page, okay? And then the fonéticas thing, this is just like, divide la palabra entre sílabas. Divide the word among syllables, right? Put it in syllables, and then escribe en negritas la sílaba tónica. You write in bold, you bold the tonic syllable, that syllable that gets the stress. Okay? Let me know if you have any preguntas. Bien.